energy has been really fascinating for me in finding out a lot of the intricacies about our energy systems. And I want to share a lot of the basics with you, and as we get towards the end of the class, I'll share with you a lot of what actually shows up in energy systems and what I see when I go into clear energy. But I won't be able to get into the 2-year study that I took in order to get that, nor the years after that. But this gives you a basic understanding about energy systems and about, it's a great foundation for a lot of the classes that I'll be teaching later on, and about the work that I do. So I think it'll be very informative for you to have a greater understanding of how things work and how you might be able to start working with your energy too. The founder of the school that I went to said, your energetic systems are a map for how well you are fulfilling your potential in any area of your life. And another energy principle that I learned when I was in school is that energy comes before form. So anything that is present in your emotions, in your physical body, in your thoughts, was already present in your energy system before it manifested into a thought or into a physical symptom or a physical illness or into emotions that we're having or emotional issues that we have in our life. So it always happens in our energy system first. We can make changes in our life by working with our physical bodies and with our thoughts and working through emotions, therapy, lots of different kinds of things. And it can also change our energy system, but we can also very effectively, I think more effectively, work with our energy systems to create changes there at the source, which will then affect our physical bodies and our thoughts and our emotions. So I like to work at it that way around. And even if people are working with nutrition or with exercise or therapy, working with your energy systems can only magnify what else you're doing in your life, and it can make that process so much easier and so much faster, just exponentially. So I highly recommend it. So since what is already in your energy system manifests in your life and energy comes before form, your vibration, what you're sending out, what is actually in your energy system, creates your reality. And that's also the law of attraction. So it's really all about what your energy system is doing and what your vibration is, what you're sending out, which is sometimes why there are a lot of people talking about, the secret behind the secret and, what you really need to do in order to make the law of attraction work. Sending out positive thoughts and affirmations are wonderful and they are helpful, but it really helps to change your energy, change your vibration. Sometimes what I say is I like to work with what gets in the way and what comes up when you send out, think about a positive thought or, something else that you want to have in your life. It's what comes up that gets in the way that I like to work with and help people clear and work through so that they can be sending out positive energy to really create what they want in their lives. For contacting me, we may or we may not have time for questions, but I am open to questions after the fact. My contact information, my website is alignyourenergy.com. You can find me on Facebook under my name or by going to facebook.com/alignyourenergy. And on Twitter, you can find me at twitter.com/alignyourenergy.